For this question, we're asked to evaluate the negative of negative 2 to the exponent 4. So the way we would look at this would be to expand it. So if I start with my negative 2 to the 4, then I need to identify the base of this power. The base of the power is the negative 2. So it means I'm multiplying 4 negative 2's together. So the negative out front to start. Then I've got a negative 2 multiplied by a negative 2, and I'll do that twice more. So simplifying this, you may find it easiest to pair them. So we'll take those two together and those two together. So I still got my negative sign. Then I've got negative 2 times negative 4. 2 is positive 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. And 4 times 4 would be 16, but I can't forget that I've got a negative sign to go with that. So my answer would be A.